purchase of products, not products, a machine. How can we hire people or scientists or engineer for our company? Okay, we need a transport to deliver from one place to another place. I mean marketing. For every process, we need a fund, money. Okay, so startup, since it is a new idea, okay, new product, new technology, we need a fund. That is one of the characteristic of startup. Okay, right. There are some key characteristics of startups. We will see one by one. The startup must have innovation. That is our today topic. Innovation. There is no innovation, it is not referred as a startup. The same example. Okay, if you are just duplicating others, that's not a startup. You have to give the new solution for the existing problem. Okay, so innovation is an important component that should be incorporated with the startup process. Okay, so startup often work on new innovative ideas, technology, business, or at least it should be a business model. Can you give an example for business model? The real case studies. ஒரு recent product ஏதாவது சொல்லுங்க, innovative product, technology ஏதாவது சொல்லுங்க. Recent-ஆ, okay, ஒரு recent date-ல நம்ம பார்த்த ஒரு product, innovative product ஏதாவது இருக்கா? என்னப்பா? Fine printing machine, okay. Why not then? Where? You may come across many products, இல்லையா? At least in the newspaper magazine you may refer. AR/VR technology. AR/VR technology. Okay. Some 20-25 years back there is no ATM. Then ATM. Isn't it? Then Zomato. Uber. No need to visit a restaurant to take away our food. Okay, only through the app we can cook a food whatever we need at whenever the time we like. Isn't it? That is the business model. That's what is called as a startup. Are you agree? Okay? So Zomato, Swiggy, முன்னாடி யாரும் அதை பண்ணல. That business model never exists. So Zomato, Swiggy, they identify the problem. Okay? The problem is the laziness of the people. That's it. That's the problem. Okay? Even though we have a hungry, okay, I have a lazy to directly visit to the restaurant and have a food. Okay, that is the problem we identify. The laziness of the people, they identify. So they gave a solution. They developed an application, mobile application, through which we able to book the food whatever we like, isn't it? So that the particular mobile application connects we people with the restaurant. No need to visit. They will come and deliver. That's it. So that's the business model. That's why not necessarily it should be a product. It may be the service. It may be the service. It may be the business model. Okay. Fine. This is the first key characteristic of startup: innovation. Don't forget. I wish to ask some questions. What's your answer? What's the answer for this question?